Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gumakkad Parivar. I'm right now in Kingdom of Dreams. Now let's explore some views. What is in Kingdom of Dreams? Because I came the first time over here and I didn't even visit Kingdom of Dreams.
This is MG Road. MG Road metro station. Next, MG Road to IFCO Chowk. Then we'll reach to our destination. From here you have to take the turn to go Sector 29. You have to take the turn. And now we also going to take a U-turn. Then we'll reach there. So we'll show you. This is the metro line. That after the MG Road metro station, the IFCO Chowk metro station comes. So when you will reach the IFCO Chowk, then that is very close to the Sector 29. So metro is a good way. If you're coming, you don't have a car, definitely you can come by the metro. That would be very easy to reach. It is the nearby metro you can see. That is IFCO Chowk. IFCO Chowk is the metro if you're coming by the metro. So that is very close. This is like only the 1.5 or 1 kilometer far from this IFCO Chowk metro station. Or if you're coming via car, definitely you can go like us. There is a good space for the parking, so you can park your car over there only inside and outside, both the options you have available. So that's, now you can see the way how we just reaching, then we'll show you. Right, once again everyone, so today we are in Sector 29. Yes, absolutely. Sector 29, you can see that side is Kingdom of Dreams.
Even there's a camel guys.
Camel rides.
Yes.
Yeah.
Camel
Stop it.
ride for the car. Hello.
You are in really car?
Yeah.
It just looks like car. A camel ride. And this is the parking also here, right? In the Sector 29, this is the parking. They're taking a round of the parking. So our car is also parked here. So good space to park your car. Yeah. And then if you have a family like me, they can enjoy. Of course they can. Then 100 rupees per adult for this camel ride. It is really so amazing. I could have to feel do it, but I thought no. And at the back you can see there is Kingdom of Dreams. Going to sit down, camel. My God! पढ़ा लिखा ऊँट. Welcome once again घुमक्कड़ परिवार. आज सेक्टर 29 गुड़गांव. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं Kingdom of Dreams. Kingdom of Dreams is a very famous for the show and it is a very beautiful place. Why? If you want to spend your day, you can come here with family, without family, individuals. If you want to spend the time 4 to 5 hours, this is the nice place. But yes, today is a lockdown. It is a new year. That's why due to the lockdown it is closed. But yes, it's open for the social events and the corporate event. This is open now during lockdown, social events and the corporate events, not for the daily users. But yes, I would like to tell you about this and I would like to show you a first quick view of this Kingdom of Dreams. Then we'll show you and we'll tell you that what we have inside and what we can see if we coming to visit. Please come forward. Now you can see here the left side when you will take the entry. This is the entry gate we have. When you will take entry, the left side we have a pan shop. This is the pan shop we have. This is the only open during lockdown. And this is the outer look. You can see how it's look like. The people enjoying. They're coming to visit, but it's not open. Due to that, they're just enjoying. Come close so then you can see. As I told, if you're coming to Gurgaon, don't or never forget to visit Sector 29. Yes, it's famous for the nightclubs and also we have one more great visiting place for the families and the friends. That is Kingdom of Dreams. Yes, so what people do here, what we have the facilities, I'm going to show you please. As I said, so here they have two different auditoriums. The one is for Zangaru, the second is Zumru. These two is the name of Nataki. So here is they gives you the ticket as 600 rupees it's a normal ticket. If you're coming on weekends, might or maybe the price will be different. But in this 600, what you can do, you can go inside. They have different types, different states stalls. In those stalls, they have different traditions. Like they have, Bombay stall, Delhi stall. They have different. They're showing their own tradition, and you can buy. You can do shopping even inside. You can eat. Those 600 rupees you can spend that whatever way you want to spend them. Here also would like to tell you, if you come in on weekends, they have a different like platinum, diamond, different types of tickets that you can purchase. It depends on you guys how much you are giving and how much you are getting paid, right? So it depends on that. But yes, before the lockdown, that was 600. After the lockdown, we have no surety how much they will charge you, because from last 2 years, this is not operational. Might or within the March in 2022, maybe that will be work.